Bitcoin whales and sharks continue to accumulate as the market still consolidates from mid-week blues that pulled down Bitcoin, Ethereum, and top altcoins' price. However, there was again a ray of hope in the market as Bitcoin and the top assets tried to make some gains on the daily chart. That said, Nomad Bridge, which lost quite a few funds during a recent hack, is trying its best to get back the funds lost. Hi everyone, welcome to Daily News Wrap by Voice of Crypto, where we talk about all things crypto, blockchain, and Web3. Before diving into the top news of the day, let us take a look at the cryptocurrency prices by market cap. The global crypto market cap at the time of recording stood at $1 trillion. It has been oscillating close to the $1 trillion US dollar mark. However, the pleasant surprise was that prices were up by almost 2% over the last day. The global crypto market cap had appreciated by 2% over the last 24 hours. Taking a look at some of the top coins, Bitcoin and Ethereum have been noting minor upticks in their daily price chart. However, on their weekly price charts, the two top assets were still down by close to 3%. Some of the top altcoins like BNB, XRP, and Cardano were following Bitcoin's suit. BNB, however, was noting decent gains on the weekly as well as daily window. It was up by 6% and 10% respectively on the daily and weekly chart. On the other hand, XRP was more or less consolidating, while ADA was still down by 4% on the weekly chart. Solana and Polkadot, the 9th and 10th ranked assets by market cap, were noting minor uptick in price of 3 and 4% respectively. That said, the top meme coin, Dogecoin, was up by 3%, almost 4% on the daily chart, while Doge killer Shiba Inu or SHIB was up by almost 2% on the daily chart. Moving on, let's take a quick look at the top gainers of the day. Flow Networks Flow token was up by almost 60% in the last 24 hours. Flow's price flow has been quite decent, and the positive momentum gained has left Flow above the key resistance marks that it was trying to get above over the last couple of weeks. Waves was the second biggest asset in terms of daily gains, followed by Trust Wallet token TWT and Ravencoin's token RVN. Theta Network, Pancake, Swap, and Zcash were among a few other gainers of the day and recorded 9 to 8% gains on their daily chart. Once again, we can see that DeFi tokens are the ones taking a lead in terms of gains on the daily as well as weekly price charts. Phantom, Waves, and Flows are a few DeFi tokens that have done pretty well over the last week. On crypto Twitter, it is clear that quite a few analysts have predicted a decent and sustained uptick for Bitcoin's price. Recently, analytics website Sentiment said that Bitcoin addresses holding BTC between 10 to 1,000 continues to grow in the last 2 months. If we closely look at this chart, we can see that the Bitcoin number of sharks and whales are growing since mid-June. On the other hand, mega whales are still lacking behind. We can see a larger downtrend for mega whales recorded from June 2022. On the other hand, we can see a minor uptrend for BTC sharks and BTC whales over the last 2 months. This can be a decent catalyst for Bitcoin's price in the near term, and once the mega whales also start accumulating, it can indicate further bullish momentum in the market for the top coin. Time to take a look at some of the top news of the day. A quick update from the Nomad Bridge hack. The protocol has released close to $200 million US for the hack bounty, and it is announcing an up to 10% bounty to Nomad Bridge hackers, where Nomad will consider any party who returns at least 90% of the total funds they hacked to be a white hat hacker. Whether this can help Nomad get back its funds is something that remains to be seen. Quite a few bullish developments taking place in the global market. We can see that there is some progress in terms of retail for the central bank currency development of Thailand. The deputy governor of the Bank of Thailand has recently noted that the central banks around the world have laid a focus on the development of retail CBDC, and Thailand can be looking towards the same and lay the foundation for the future of a new financial system for the nation. Moving on, we can see that Instagram has expanded its NFT features to around 100 countries as more and more social media platforms leap on the NFT and Metaverse hype. To read more about this news piece, head over to Voice of Crypto's website or Voice of Crypto's social media handles. Another big piece of news was that the court has finally allowed Voyage Digital to return $270 million in custodial account to customers. That said, the total transaction capability of Dogecoin, it's now much higher than Bitcoin, is something that Elon Musk has recently said. Seems like the Doge father Elon Musk is to the rescue of the top meme coin once again. Lastly, Binance and MasterCard are set to launch crypto prepaid card in Argentina. This could lead to considerable developments in the nation in terms of crypto adoption. Before we wrap the video, a quick look at Bitcoin's daily chart. We can see that Bitcoin's price is up by close to 30% from the mid-June or June 18th price lows. Bitcoin's price at this moment, after the recent downtick faced by the price in the last 4 to 5 days, is still up by close to 27% on, if you look at Bitcoin's daily chart. This healthy price momentum has been supported by considerably high trade volumes, as we can see that in comparison to the May and April trade volumes, the June and July trade volumes are almost double, which means that there is a considerable retail euphoria behind the recent rally. However, whether this is a bear market rally or whether Bitcoin, Ethereum and the larger market gains can continue and reap benefits for the crypto investors is something that still remains to be seen. This, my friends, is all in today's daily news wrap. To stay up to date with crypto market news and blockchain updates, do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.